Actron chose the equipment financing route because it's always good to hang on to your cash. And we feel that having the cash available to buy raw materials is extremely important to the growth of our company. We originally got connected with MFR through our local Haas factory outlet dealer, but we've since used MFR for all our equipment financing needs, including our laser machine and some deburring equipment we bought, and they've been good on both new and used equipment purchases for us. They make it very easy to do business. Once you're established with them, we don't have to set in financials every time. We basically do a one-page application. We send them a copy of our new machine that we want to buy. We send a copy of the quote in, and it's all taken care of seamlessly without any effort. Their turnaround time is very quick, and we're usually approved in 3 days or less. Makes the buying process extremely easy and comfortable and quick so that we can increase our production capacity when needed.